This is gold right here. Holy cow. That's cool. Oh, that's crazy. Is it a Dukes of Hazzard lunchbox? It's another Freeman's Garage extra video for you, and we are headed to the post office to check the Freeman's Garage P.O. box. The last time we did this, the box was empty, even though the post office claimed there was something there. We're making the trek towards town, and when we get there, we'll open the box and see if there's anything in it. Alrighty, we have arrived. We are parked in an approved parking space. Let's go see what we got. 3 pieces of mail in the Freeman's Garage P.O. box. Let's go someplace a little more private and open these. To the garage. So we got these 3 here, and then there's a bonus item that snuck in at the last second. We don't want to forget that. We'll open that last. Okay, this first one here is from the Buckeye State of Ohio. Now, I'm not gonna divulge people's personal information, like names and addresses, unless it's a business or a YouTube channel. I've got no problem plugging something like that for the good people of the world. Whoa! That's cool. Oh, that's crazy. I don't even know how you would do that. I just realized as I'm writing this that I don't know if Freeman is your first or last name. Either way, keep up the great work, and thanks for sharing your vintage car adventures. Richard's the first name, Freeman's the last name. Check these out. I don't know how you would even make these, but these are screenshots from a video on Freeman's Garage. And I believe in this video here, when I opened the door of this truck and saw these tools sitting in there, I mentioned how cool it would be to just take a snapshot of that. And it looks like someone did it. That's really neat. It's like little snapshots. I gotta figure out a system for putting stuff up like that as things come in through the Freeman's Garage P.O. box. Thank you, sir, for making that and sending that in. It's definitely going up to be displayed. This one comes to us from the Keystone State of Pennsylvania. From Old School Cars. I wonder if that's a shop or a YouTube channel. Let's open it up. Need a letter opener. No, men don't use letter openers. Whoa, this one's a long one. And it starts out with, forgive the book I have written here. Rambler Rescue and Refuge Center. This is somebody with a lot of knowledge with ramblers. What we're opening this mail on right now. And this is chock full of invaluable advice and tips. Here's some information right here about how not to kill the oil pump in this engine. And he's also listed some things that he likes about the channel, about Freeman's Garage, and some things to try or consider. Things that he likes about the channel: younger guy doing work on older stuff, learning approach, willing to plead ignorance, showing the screw-ups, working on a budget, I don't really have a choice, making do, sharing what works. The GoPro under the truck was a good change up from in-shop work. realistic tools you might find in a home garage. Some things to try or consider: road trip, new occasional character, whether girlfriend or wife or dad, local cop, a clerk at the auto parts store. Hey, this is gold right here. Road test, swap meet, car show, legal expert on titling, production tell-all, where you share what cams, mics, tripods, editing software, etc. you use, Zoom call with expert on what you are working on, video visits from regular folks in your life like I can't read, like Mr. Rogers used to do. All right, this has gotten longer than a waiting room visit in hell. Guy's got a sense of humor. Feel free to give a holler if you need parts or help. All the very best. Wow, I gotta tell you, you start out making videos with the intention is to share the videos, to document the projects and share the videos with folks, but you still feel like you're starting, like you're doing it on your own. And you may be on your own. I don't have a team, right? But things like this let you know that, oh, you're actually not doing it on your own. There's always somebody just a phone call away. There's much more in here as well, but I'll sit down next to the fireplace and read through it on my own time. Thank you, sir. I appreciate everything you've already given me in here and everything you've offered. It means a lot. I appreciate it. And this one here comes from the Golden State of California. And I think I know what's in here. Someone said that they were going to send in 2 washers that we needed here in Freeman's garage for the engine mounts for this 56 Chevy here. And it feels like 2 circular pieces of steel in here. Oh, I thought this was just a piece of cardboard in here used to keep the envelope from blowing apart. It's a cut up piece of a calendar with Tri-5 Chevys on it. And there's the washers. Glad these will be put to good use. Love watching your posts. Well, thanks for watching, and I know I've said on a computer screen in letters, I've thanked you for sending these in, but thank you again. I really do appreciate this. This is something, all of this is nice things that nobody has to do, but they're choosing to do them. And these washers are actually going to be painted today. Well, actually, they're going to be in a Freeman's Garage video that's going to be, I'm actually going to start filming as soon as we're done opening all this up. All right, and now this big boy right here. Let's see what's going on. Is it a Dukes of Hazzard lunchbox? I feel like it is. Oh, it's another box. Holy cow. Jeez Louise. Now look at that. It's a case of brake parts cleaner. And it's the good stuff too, non-chlorinated. That's just incredible. A full case. And just like these washers here, this is going to get used today as well. I'm actually going to be needing this in about, maybe a half an hour from now. There's no name, so I'm not 100% sure who sent this in, but I got a pretty good idea who sent this in. And thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you again to everybody who sent something in and to everybody who's watching the videos. What you've seen so far on Freeman's Garage is just the tip of the iceberg. The only thing holding me back from unleashing massive plans is time and money. But that will all come. It just is going to take consistency and just keep chipping away at it. And Freeman's Garage is still crawling. It's not even walking yet. It's not even running yet. There's a lot of goals for Freeman's Garage, and many of them involve giving to others. And none of that's ever going to happen if folks like you don't support it. So I appreciate you. Thanks again for everything. Thanks for sending stuff in. Thanks for watching the videos. And we'll see you very soon.